This is Mary Kennedy from the San Diego Biotech Network. I wanted to show you the app that we're going to be using for our July 26th speed networking event. So after you register and pay, you will get an email that will direct you to download the Whova app. And I wanted to show you how to do that from scratch. You'll also be getting a password if you're asked for that. And so we've downloaded or uploaded your email address, the name of your organization, as well as your interests. So for example, we asked you if you're interested in drug discovery or medical devices. So we've got that information in there. We did not record whether or not you're a job seeker because that information may be private to you. So all of the information is information that is available when you registered, and if for any reason you would not like to be listed in the app, let us know. But we think that it will help everybody to network a lot better. So while this is downloading, I'll just let you know something new that we're going to be doing with this event that will be facilitated by the app is to allow you to set up individual meetings either before the speed networking from 5:30 to 6:30 or after from 8:30 to 9. And so that will be clear once I open it up. And so this app will have information such as the map of the location as well as the agenda, so it will be very useful to you. You can also use it for other events. We'll likely be using it for all of our SDBN events going forward. So again, I'll open it up, and it actually remembered me, but let's pretend like it doesn't remember, and we'll search for SDBN. We'll find it here. And so you'll go to the event, and because it remembers me, I won't have to sign in. You may need to sign in, and there's two ways to do this. One is to sign in with LinkedIn, and to make things less complicated, it should be the same email address that you're using for the event. The app should figure it out even if you use a different email address, and you can let me know if that works out, or you can just come up with a password. The nice thing about using LinkedIn is then your profile gets imported, and you can see here this is my profile. One of the things that you can do to help in your biography is put in what you're looking for. So if you are a job seeker and you want people to know that, then you can put that in here if people are looking for jobs, people who are looking to fill a job. So some other things on this app are the agenda. So as I mentioned, from 5:30 to 6:30 we're going to be having individual meetings. And so how we'll do this is we'll have 5 tables set up, and you will meet at the table according to who initiated the meeting, and we'll help you find people if that's an issue. And so this will be from 5:30 to 6:30. We'll also be having dinner at that time and registering. So if you do want to meet at 5:30 with someone, you should try to get to the event early. So between 6:30 and 8:30 we'll be doing the speed networking, which we have a lot of information on the website. Basically bring lots of business cards and perfect your 30-second elevator speech. And then at the end of the night, we're going to be doing open networking, and we'll have those tables set up in case people want to set up formal meetings during that time. Again, this is our first time doing this, so we like to see how it goes. And of course, tell your friends about this because we think it's going to be pretty exciting. So I wanted to show you the attendees, and as I mentioned, we uploaded your interests into your profile. So if you're interested in knowing all the people that are involved in drug development or interested in it, you can look at that, and that should help you to set up a meeting. If you want to search for a company, I know that there's someone from Illumina. You have to search with all. Search for a company, and again, we took your input on what companies you want to meet with, and we'll be inviting more people, so check back every day. So once you find someone that you want to meet with, there's a button here that says Let's Meet. So the smallest time for a meeting is 15 minutes. So let's stick with that for now. Hopefully in the future we'll be able to make these shorter meetings per the speed networking credo. So what you'd want to do, so this app isn't smart enough to know that you only can meet between 5:30 and 6:30. So you're going to want to, again, I just put in the date. You want to make sure it's 5:30 p.m. and then you want to double check that. That's definitely during the time. You can add another one, again, July 26th. And then you'd want to make this one later. You'd want to make it maybe 6. And remember, you're going to want to eat dinner, and again, that's 6 p.m. Location, you can put that in if you want to figure it out. My last name starts with a C, and so I know that that's table 2. Oops. So I put that in, but we'll help you with that. And then you might want to put in some details about meeting. And then you could also put your contact info because it might be difficult to find people. So you'd put your phone number. And I should also point out that you could meet with people after the speed networking, or even before if you're so inclined. So I'm not going to push this request meeting, but that's how you would request a meeting. And then you would look at your own personal agenda, and that meeting would show up in that agenda. So there's also other information in here. We'll put some information about parking in here. This isn't showing up, but there's some there. Oh, there's a welcome. We'll put some information about parking, and we'll also be putting information in about where the 5 tables are going to be. You can message people individually if you'd like. You can also put things on the bulletin, which I will probably use to post announcements. So that's all we have for now, and if you have any questions, contact me, Mary, at info@sdbn.org, and we'll get this figured out, and it will be an exciting event. All right, thanks.